Stay away or you're gonna be the next one.
Okay, you're touching me.
Okay.
You're touching me and that's in the camera?
Ma'am, I know that you called me, but doesn't mean that you can spit in my face, alright?
I think I'll spit on your face.
Yes, yes.
Why have you been arrested, man?
You spit at the comp.
I didn't though.
You spit at his foot.
I spit at the floor.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not a pro at this.
I'm sure that you got a good job. Thank you.
On a warm November night in Key West, Florida, two women on vacation turn a simple argument over a golf cart key. When Key West Police Department arrive on a civil dispute call, Andrea immediately becomes confrontational. She accuses a staff member of touching her and starts yelling profanities. Officers try to calm her down, but she demands to be taken to jail so she can tell everybody what happened. Both are visibly drunk, stumbling, slurred speech, nearly falling downstairs.
Because your camera showed that you touched it. I'm not going to jail.
Walk away.
You're not going to jail. Cállate.
I want to go to jail.
Walk away.
Is your wet? Is your
Away.
Look at me. You don't touch me.
Walk away.
I am way too old for you to tell me what to do. Way too old for you to tell me what to do. Andrea. No. Excuse me, don't touch me. Yeah, that's in the...
Send me one more.
Cállate la boca. Andrea.
Son, have him on custody.
Andrea, excuse me.
Let's go. Stay away or you're gonna be the next one.
Okay, you're touching me.
Okay.
You're touching me and that's in the camera.
I need one more. Sit down.
I just want to
Walk away or you're going to jail.
Andrea, stop it. I just want to grab her. I just want to grab her.
Are you gonna walk away?
I'm not walking away. Excuse me, I'm not walking
Put your
away.
hands behind your back.
Excuse me. Ow!
We're not doing this.
Andrea, cállate.
You know that, right? You know what? Cállate la boca. Of a cállate la boca. You're a definition of a excuse me.
What is going on here?
I can't wait.
We're on Whitehead Street side.
I'm sorry that you are.
So you're going to jail for battery than you.
I'm sorry that your coworker.
Well, we haven't.
That's literally what I'm getting arrested because it's a. You understand that, right? I just want you to know that I'm getting arrested because the police in the U.S. is a.
You ready? I'm gonna lift you up.
Yes, please do. I can't get up because I'm getting arrested.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
That's my wife right there.
Right,
Can you please get her up?
Just come with me first.
I need you to get her up.
Come with me first.
I
Don't
can't.
listen. Don't do that.
I need you to get her up.
Come with me, please. Christina gets here for me.
Your coworkers. What you doing?
Just stay right there for me, all
He
right?
got mad because
Please stay
I
right there.
emasculated him. I want you to know that.
Like
I'm gonna get you up.
Okay, I appreciate you, but like he was like he's intense.
Just have a seat on
He
the
just
have a seat on the chair.
I
for
just
me.
want myself
Have a
on.
seat, please.
he just put me in handcuffs. I am a license.
I've never been arrested in my
Stay
life.
over here, please.
Crazy.
Okay, just stay right there.
Look at me,
Is your
Andrea.
coworker. Who is he?
Chuchi.
Babe, I'm talking to my friend right here.
Okay, I need you to look at
Don't worry about it.
Andrea.
Your coworker has some like emasculating like issues. You know that, right?
I don't know. But I don't know what's going on.
He does though. He needs help.
Okay, we'll
He needs
figure it out.
help. He needs help.
I don't know what happened.
No, but like your coworker needs help.
Did someone bring the car?
Hi.
Excuse me.
Is that your car right there, Sharp?
Come and
Sharp.
talk to me.
Is that your car? Yeah. Bring it over here.
Okay, I was getting.
Okay, look, please. Stay right here for me.
And we called you guys to we've been talking to our golf carts company for the last 2 hours. And we called
He got mad because I spit to the floor. That's why he arrested me. Because I spit to the floor. Because I spit.
and he threw us on
That's why he got mad. I want you to know that.
my fiance. She
To me, that's the reason to arrest anybody.
I understand that. I understand that. I understand, but I'm an on cam.
No clue.
Witnesses?
We're just observing here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we far enough? They didn't want it.
In his face. I'm so sorry. I did not spit on his face.
You have your ID on you?
I did not spit on his face though.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Andrea Cannabis. Nice to
You
meet
have your
you.
ID on you?
Well, no, I don't. It's in my golf cart right there. I could go get it.
Okay, over there? All right, we'll get it in a second.
Can you fix my hair? Because I'm itchy. I'm sorry. Thank you.
I'm not a pro at this, bro.
Hey, I'm sure that you got a good job. Thank you.
Officers immediately place Andrea in handcuffs. She complains they're hurting her, even though the body cam shows standard handling. Crystal is also arrested for resisting without violence when she physically tries to stop the officer. In Florida law, intentionally spitting at or near a law enforcement officer is charged as battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony.
Get their information.
No, they said the wallets were in the golf cart, but there's nothing in the golf cart.
No, our wallets are not in the
Okay,
wallet.
where they at?
Where's your wallet?
There's nothing in the cart. There's nothing in there. I just walked over there.
Was it locked in there or she sat in it?
The girls were there, no? Or did the girls leave finally? Listen, there's two girls that were there. I'm not sure if they left or not because we've been at this for 2 hours. 2 hours we've been trying to you can look at my phone, I can give you my
Listen,
I'm sorry. Go ahead and listen to him, okay?
one at a time, all right? What's your first name?
Crystal Tejera.
Spell it for me.
CRISTAL.
Oh, small sorry. CRISTAL. What's your middle name?
Nanette.
Spell it for me.
LYNETTE.
TTE. Last name?
Tejera. TEJERA.
ERA. Date of birth?
2591. Andrea.
Out of Florida?
I'm sorry.
You got a Florida license?
Yes. No.
Like I call you guys for help.
Okay. What's your first name?
Andrea
Spell it for me.
Cannabis.
Spell it.
OANDREA.
Middle name?
Cannabis. CANAB as in Victor. Yes.
ES?
Yes, sir.
Is that your last name or your middle name?
This is my last name, sir.
Okay, you have a middle name?
Josefina.
Spell it for me.
JOSEFANA.
What's your date of birth?
February 1st, 1994.
Florida license as well?
Someone took our phones.
I probably want to.
Yeah, they're right there.
Come on. Okay, I'm gonna put this on.
And apparently they lost the keys. The catering manager looked for the keys for a long time. 3 other people looked for the keys as well and told them they couldn't find them. They went upstairs to try to look for them themselves. They were so drunk they almost fell down the stairs. If you see our stairs, it's kind of steep. It's kind of steep. So the catering manager, unfortunately, that she advised me, don't let they might come back. They're drunk. Don't let them back up there. They might fall down again. So when they came back, I told them, we look for your keys. They couldn't find them. We can't let you back upstairs. So she got mad. She's like, I'm calling the police. I was like, okay, call the police. And this is where we are.
All right, perfect.
And I did witness there spit on the avocado.
You did.
Do
you have where's your car? Witness everything? Yeah.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Please, thank you. Alright. Would you mind if I put them on the card?
No.
Can you search them?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Are you okay if I could put them both in the same
Yeah,
car?
that's fine.
Alright, ma'am. Stand up. You're under arrest for battery in the wheel. Stand up.
Can you
It's gonna be another charge. Stand up.
Oh, no, but can you
Why am I
communicate?
being
I give you lawful orders. Stand up.
I can't understand
Are you
what
gonna
you
stand
say.
up or not?
I need to
but
understand
can you
why.
communicate? Excuse me, do you see this? Excuse me, you guys saw that.
Because you're actively resisting a lawful order.
She's not resisting, she's asking if I want to leave.
Oh, sir, I'm not like.
Yes, you are.
I'm not hurting at all.
Yes, you are.
Why are you hurting me?
Get somebody to come in.
I'm not hurting at all. I'm not like resisting at all. Why are you hurting me? Ow. Go ahead. Why is you hurting me? now telling me what to do. I didn't ask you what to do. Okay, now look at me. What? Move your feet apart. Okay? Do you have anything on you? Anything that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me, anything illegal? Okay. Nothing illegal, no drugs, nothing like that? No. Okay.
Alright, ma'am. Just, we're done, right? We're done with the fighting, we're done with arguing. It's over.
I'm not fighting with you, man.
Okay.
I've never
Have a
been
seat,
fighting with you. I
Have a seat,
literally
please.
called you for help.
Have a seat. Ma'am, I know that you called me, but doesn't mean that,
called
you
for
can
help.
spit in my face, alright?
I did not spit on your face.
Yes, you did.
I didn't though.
Yes, you did.
I did not help. I did not spit on your face. I don't.
Go ahead, please. Thank you very much.
With all the security you need to put.
Ma'am, I understand Skivas has maybe too much alcohol, but you need
I
to
didn't
listen.
have much alcohol. I'm telling you. I called you for help. Just stop off guard, man. Why? Will you seatbelt her? Crazy to me.
Mira,
Y'all seatbelt
hay
her.
cámara.
Cámara, no, baby. I don't understand.
Por favor.
But
Tenemos
like, why are
licencia.
we being arrested?
Tenemos licencia.
But why are we being
Cállate.
arrested?
La boca.
Why are we being arrested, man?
You spit at the comp.
I didn't though.
You spit at his foot.
I spit at the floor.
Yes, I understand that, but to them, that's what it is, baby.
That's so stupid.
Just look at me,
That's like to me, that's like a,
baby.
Officers immediately place Andrea in handcuffs. She complains they're hurting her even though the body cam shows standard handling. Crystal is also arrested for resisting without violence when she physically tries to stop the officer. During the search, officers find Andrea's ID in the golf cart, then discover cocaine in her wallet. Because she is now going to jail with drugs on her person, she picks up an additional felony, smuggling contraband into a detention facility. Andrea Canavez, 31, was booked on charges of battery on a law enforcement officer, felony drug possession, resisting an officer without violence. Crystal Tahara, 34-year-old, was charged with misdemeanor resisting arrest and released on a $5,000 bail.